Hello everybody, I'm Bob Berry. Today we are going to talk about ground collapse. Ground collapse can often cause catastrophic events. When an outrigger sinks, the crane becomes unbalanced, which causes it to tip over and drop the load. The falling crane can also cause additional damages. If an outrigger punctures underground utilities, it can damage underground water and sewage lines. And if it punctures a gas line, it could cause an explosion. To prevent ground collapse, it is important to know your surroundings. First, know your soil type. What we are looking for is the correct compaction determined by the controlling entity. This can sometimes be determined by laboratory testing, estimating in the field using a pocket penetrometer, or by performing a thumb penetration test. We know that Florida has a type C soil. It contains significant moisture and can flow and slump when vibrated. Once we calculate soil type, we must calculate the pressure on the soil. Pressures can vary and shift while the machine is in operation, but can be simulated in a 3D lift plan software. Next, we examine for backfill situations. Look for signs that the ground has been disturbed by recent digging or changes in topsoil. Also check with the lift director for voids beneath the surface, including utility lines and pipes. Be sure to examine which direction these lines run. If you are not sure, contact the utility provider. Finally, we determine where the ground begins. In crane terms, the ground is everything under the outrigger pad of the crane. This includes any material that is positioned to distribute the combined weight of the crane and load. Across the country, almost every week, outriggers sink and cranes collapse. Whether from poor soil, crushed utility lines, or too much pressure on the outriggers, ground collapse is a serious problem. Fortunately, ground collapse is preventable. It is up to the crane operator to know what site conditions affect the operation of the crane and to consult the lift director to ensure safety. The lift director will address any poor soil conditions and ensure the area is properly prepared. Remember, thorough testing, the correct equipment, and good communication between crew members always makes for a safe lift. Thanks for watching and look forward to our next Sims Crane Minute coming soon.